I'm Miriam Mackenzie, author of Say It Clearly. If you've purchased this book off Amazon or off my website, maybe you need to know how to use it. There are instructions, but I know what reading instructions are like. If you're anything like me, you won't bother. And hopefully you'll just sort it out. There are two ways. You can choose a selection of exercises from each chapter. There we go there. Or you can just choose an exercise from relaxation, posture, breathing, and then any of the others. Because we always start a speech lesson with relaxation. If we're not relaxed, we can't breathe properly. We can't sit or stand properly, and it really hinders how we speak. So learning to relax the parts of your body that you need for clear speech. Shoulders, neck, throat, jaw, lips, tongue, even your eyebrows. So here's the chapter with the explanation that you can just not worry about if you don't want to. And there's some of the exercises that you can read and you can do with your children or just yourself if you are going into a situation of public speaking. If you have downloaded this book off Amazon or off my website, don't forget to leave a review. But if you haven't, click on the link below to get your copy today.